It's me, Devon Aunty, and we have a problem that needs to be solved. This bulldozer needs to cross the muddy hole to get to the construction site. I'm glad you're here because I need your help. How are we gonna get him over there? We need to build a bridge. So I was thinking we can try some branches to build a bridge. You wanna help me? Let's go. Come on. All right, I found these 3 branches. Let's see if we can build a bridge with them. Well, he's up here, so let's start with this. Hey, this looks pretty good. All right, let's give it a try. Oh, that didn't work. Let's try something else. All right, get back up here. Let's get rid of these. What else can we use? Let's look around. Is there anything else you see that we could build a bridge with? Let's see. Hey, let's try these here rocks. That'll work. There. That'll work just right. Come on, let's go, Bulldozer. Ah! That didn't work. Hey, if you're having fun, make sure you subscribe and like. All right, friends. The twigs didn't work and the rocks didn't work. What can we try next? Let's look around. Hey, let's try this wood. This might work. This might be a great bridge. Let's try. Well, look out. Again, set it right here. Place it right in the back. Hey, that's pretty stable. Let's try. Wow, that works. Hey, we did it. Whoa, yay, we did it. We solved the mission. The bulldozer's now at the construction site and can do his job. Yay! All right, join me next time for another adventure. Thanks for helping me. Bye-bye.